So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get infinite research points in Animal Company. Follow me. So you need one grappler, one backpack, 2 sticky dynamites, 2 rockets. What the frick? And 2 rockets on your hand. And then fly up towards here. And then we're gonna go over here.
Wait for me, bro. I really want to.
And then you go over here. Take out your 2 rockets. Right, and then you jump down to like here. And you need to have 2 rockets in your hand. One doesn't work. Then you'll see those lines hanging. Just fly to there. Like this. What the frick? What the frick? And you're gonna go to the hole, the green hole. And you're gonna go to the research points. Gonna do this. Gonna fly over here. Just wait. Look. 3 research points already. And now you take. Oh no, frick. You eat 2. You go. Frick. Just go in there. So like here, and then you jump in here. And then your game will look like this. And then you have, and so that's how you get infinite research points in Animal Company. Subscribe.